boost up your immunity and plump up your skin with just one juice. Summer is here. You want to keep yourself very hydrated and also stay away from all the diseases that you might catch out there. So we will be using only 3 fruits to make this juice. So the first thing we need is cucumber. Cucumber helps to reduce puffiness, wrinkles, decrease wrinkles, hydrate your skin, help also to open up all your clogged pores, will also help to soothe irritation. Cucumber is powerful for hydration because most of the nutrients in cucumber is water and vitamin C. So that's the first vegetable this is the first vegetable we're going to use. The next thing we're gonna use here is pineapple. So let's see what we can get from pineapple. Pineapple has a whole lot of vitamin A. Vitamin A is retinol, which helps to battle the signs of aging. So we have vitamin A, vitamin B6, which will also help to speed up your metabolism. We have vitamin E. Vitamin E is an extra source of collagen boost. We have vitamin K as well, which will also help for your digestion. And we have calcium. We also have folate. We have iron, which will help you go to the bathroom to excrete all the debris, cleaning up your liver and your toxins. We have potassium, and we also have zinc in this pineapple. Pineapple is very powerful. You can't go one day without eating pineapple. The next thing we need here is apple. Okay, when you eat 1 apple a day, it takes you away from going to the doctor. So let's see what we can get from eating 1 apple a day. Apple is very good because it will help your heart, will help to pump blood easily. Apple will also help to control your weight and help with your cholesterol. And apple does not have a whole lot of calories in here, and it contains fiber, which will also help you to go to the bathroom every day. So people might be asking, why do you have to juice? You can juice or you can make this into smoothies. But when you make juice, because juice is thin liquid, they get absorbed into your system faster than the shake. And this is why you want to make this into a juice. So this is what you need morning and evening to help you to boost up your immunity while it is also plumping up your skin and hydrating your skin. Thank you guys. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, if you have not already subscribed here, click the red button, subscribe and share the video. Remember to follow me on Instagram. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.